There are two types of numbers you'll see frequently used in Python: integers and floating point numbers. Integers are used for representing whole numbers. Any number that doesn't have a decimal point is an integer. Floating point numbers are used for representing non-integers. All floating point numbers have a decimal point in them. Integers and floating point numbers can work together. So we can add together a floating point number and an integer, or we can subtract them, or multiply them, or divide them, and we get the expected result in all of these cases. Whenever we mix integers and floating point numbers, we'll always get a floating point number back. For most operations we might perform between two integers, we'll get an integer back. But if we divide two integers, we'll always get a floating point number back. That's because not all division between two integers has an integer answer. You'll see both integers and floating point numbers quite often in Python. So Python supports addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, but it also has an integer division operator that will return how many times one whole number divides into another. And there's also a modulo operator for finding the remainder from an integer division operation. We got a result of 5 because 3 times 7 plus 5 is 26. Python also has an operator for exponentiation. This is 2 raised to the 10th power. Python follows the PEMDAS rule, meaning operations are performed in this order: parentheses, exponentiation, multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. And operations of the same type are performed from left to right. So multiplication is performed before addition here. We can specify the order of operations explicitly by using parentheses for grouping. And multiple levels of parentheses also work. So common arithmetic operations work pretty much the way you'd expect them to in Python.